welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. This will be the introduction of a new series I'd like to start here on my channel called Diary of a Relaxed Gal. So that series will be a little bit different from my regular tips and tricks that I normally give you guys in caring for your relaxed hair. My wash day routine is only a part of my relaxed hair care regimen. I do actually do little treatments here and there, so that's what this series will be. So for this first episode, you guys will be seeing my protein treatment. So this will be Diary of a Relaxed Gal, episode 1, protein treatment. So I am 8 weeks post relaxer as of yesterday. So around the 8-week mark, I usually add protein into my hair because my hair starts speaking to me and telling me, girl, we need some strength around here. And how I know when my hair needs protein is when I'm combing it, I see a few extra hairs than normal. So today we're going to be doing a protein treatment for my hair. And the protein treatment that I use is the ORS hair mayonnaise. And I've been using this even when I had natural hair. Just that when I had natural hair, I didn't know what it was actually for. It's not until I had like relaxed hair and I started watching like all these YouTube videos and I see people use it and they said it's a protein treatment. I was like, oh, that's what that was for. But I used to love that stuff when I had natural hair, honey. It made my hair feel so good. Normally I would go ahead and wash my hair and condition my hair as usual. When I condition my hair, I go ahead and detangle. At this point I would skip my ORS deep conditioner, which has a light protein in it, but we need a real protein only treatment here today. So I'm just gonna take this ORS hair mayonnaise and we're gonna section my hair off and apply this throughout my hair. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sitting under the dryer just opens up your hair cuticles and allows it to absorb the product a lot better. And then once I get out, I'm gonna rinse it out and style as usual. So to style my hair, you guys know I like my roller set. I will link my full wash day video down below so you guys can see how I wash my hair on a regular day and how I roller set my hair, what it looks like afterwards. The video link down below will be the one that contains like everything, like how I roller set my hair and what it looks like afterwards. There are 2 roller setting videos on my channel, which is why I'm telling you guys that. So yeah, to go ahead and style my hair, I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. This is a strengthening leave-in conditioner. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my hair lotion, extra virgin olive oil. That oil is the heaviest oil I use on my hair. Some people use a heavier oil. Just use what works for your hair. So that will be it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.